Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I've got a 16 by 20 inch canvas and some Dazzling white metallic from Deco-Art and some gold, 24 karat gold from Deco-Art. And I'm going to lay a background down, hopefully, a layer of paint, and then add some paint on top of that, and then add some cell activator to that. This is Anita's black metallic, but I'm thinking at some point in time in the future it's going to wind up being Art Deco black metallic. Now I've never done exactly this, what I'm doing right now, so it might be a little interesting. But interesting sometimes works out quite nicely. So I'm kind of hopeful. Probably shouldn't have started with the black, but that's okay. There's a good chance I'll add other colors. I may even use a clean spatula just to make it simple. Matter of fact, that's a very good idea. And I think I'm going to grab some more of everything. Now that I know how far that's going to go. You got to start somehow. Now I thought I was going to add some other colors. I guess I should. I've got Tiger's Eye. Whispering Wisteria super strong mix. Some Vivid Intense Rouge Violet. Some Rhapsody Rose. And it's time to get rid of the paint on my spatula. Maybe throw that right in the bucket. I'm inclined towards some Snapdragon suddenly, and I've got it, so I'm going to use it. As long as I can get it to come out. Seems like there's a plug. Yes, there is. I got it so it wouldn't come out on the canvas. Yay! I hope. I've got to resolve that. That's an issue. I need a paper towel is what I need. Put that aside so I can deal with it later. I am going to clean my spatula off and then get on with using some cell activator, hopefully. I don't know what that was. Hopefully they're not objects. They look like bubbles. I'm going to do both. I'm going to do everything if I can. That's Dancing Fuchsia and the Cobalt Turquoise. I don't mind if I drip anywhere. I do want some white. Tempted by some orange. I got a few cells. Makes me want some dark blue. I like how that looks. I'm going to use a copious amount. And throw some black in there too. Doesn't matter, this is just a background. It's a little want some more white. Oh, there's some cells. Good. I'm always surprised the white still works. black. Kind of want some more turquoise. Kind of wish I had more space to work. I think I'm going to use the Dancing Fuchsia. And then some turquoise. It's definitely time to mix some more turquoise up because I'm almost out. Got all kinds of possibilities of colors underneath that if I want to unearth them. For right now, I just keep trying the black. It's hard not to want to just do a painting. And it could turn out to be one. I want some more black. I'm hoping some of the cells will keep developing. I want some more paint right here. Didn't open it. Maybe it should be white. I think I have plenty of cells to do what I want to do, and I might just be keeping it the way it is anyway. I'm going to use a little more white. Kind of want to use the orange. Maybe I should try it. Maybe I should not try it. Hard to tell. Let's do a little bit of Dancing Fuchsia. There, whatever this stage is, I think I'm pretty well done, or very close anyway. I'm still tempted by the orange. I'm going to try a little bit of it. I don't think a little bit of it's going to hurt anything. If I like it, I might have to have more. Alright, I'm not unhappy with any of that at all. I would like more cells in the turquoise, but I like the turquoise fine, so I'm just going to shimmer this at you. And that way I'm covered. I decide to keep it tomorrow. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a little more black right in here. Right now, because I looked at my timer and I've got 3 minutes left. Good layers. Yeah, that's actually very attractive to me. It'll be very interesting to see how this dries. Got some sweet cells in there. Great color patterns too. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.